I did put it in a twin. If I hit your twin.
Yeah, it's okay.
I tried it in my mouth.
Yeah, did it? Did you bite it?
No, I didn't bite it. Did it?
Yay! Man. Ain't nothing like good old South Carolina grown corn. Today is June 20th, 2012, and it's been 3 months since I planted this corn. And guess what time it is? It's time to harvest. Before we do that though, I'm going to put in a clip of last year's corn. I tried to grow corn last year. Didn't work for me. This year though, I think I got some pretty good ears. So take a look at what I did last year. Pretty much nothing. Few kernels, nothing new you can eat. Oh, hey. Wasn't too good, was it? Well, there's a lot you can learn in 1 year. Well, this year I think I've made up for it. You ready to see it? Alright, come on. Alright guys, I'm going to show you some of the big ears I've got. That's up front. There's one. There's one there. Pretty big. I've got a couple on here. It's real big. The silk's done dried out real good on a bunch of them, so I'm going to go ahead and pick the ones that are ready, and I'm going to show y'all a couple of them. Alright? Let's do this one. Alright, let's see if I can shuck this thing instead of pill it. I got picked on for pilling last year's corn. Oh, look at that. Wow. Now, if you remember at the beginning of the season, I mixed Golden Queen with Silver Queen. Look at that. So there's a little bit of Golden Queen mixed in with Silver Queen, so it cross-pollinated. Well, I can tell you one thing, I did a whole lot better than last year. I know that. There's a couple kernels missing right there, but overall I think it'll eat pretty good. Let's pick another one and see what it looks like. Yep. This is a nice size one. Wow. Look at there. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Come on. Now this looks like all Golden Queen. I've got some kernels missing there, but wow. Can you believe that? Everything looks pretty good on that one. What you say we pick another one? Let's go in here and pick one. Oh man. Man, it's a forest in there. Let's take a look at this one. No worms. This cross-pollinated. Looks good. Looks real good. This one actually was in the middle of the row and it don't have no missing kernels on it. It looks real good. Wow. Good. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go through here and pick all the ones that's ready to be picked before it gets too dark. I'll show y'all in a minute my harvest. First row's done. Look at all this corn. Oh my gosh. Wow. Got it all in my pockets. Alright, off to the second row. Oh, goodness. Wow. Now this is getting a little corny. Look at all this corn. What am I going to do with it? All right, row 3. Wish me luck. Wow. Man, I was thinking about planting more corn next year, but I don't think I will. Look at all this corn. Wow. Oh, we broke a sweat. I'm gonna go down this first row. I don't think there's many of them down this first row. Maybe a few, but I'm gonna go down here and check it out. Yep, maybe just 5 or 6, but there's still a couple on the stalks that the silk hadn't turned brown yet, so I'm gonna wait to see if they produce. I might even leave them on the stalk and let them dry up. Guys, you aren't gonna believe this, but look. Wow. I've counted them. There's 65 ears of corn here. I can't eat 65 ears of corn in a couple days. Got a couple big ones in there. I left the real small ones on the stalk. Ain't no need in picking those. But they're mostly pretty good size. I never knew I'd get all this, especially from what happened to me last year. Hey guys, it's about to get dark out here. Just remember this, you prep your soil right, you'll get results. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.